Welcome to eFavormart, your go-to destination for party, wedding, and event decor. Here we share creative ideas, styling inspiration, and easy ways to bring any celebration to life. Valentine's Day is coming, and whether you're planning a romantic dinner for two, a Galentine's brunch with your besties, or just want an excuse to make everything pink and sparkly, we've got you covered. Today we're showing you 3 completely different Valentine's Day table setups. One that's budget-friendly, one that's mid-range and perfect for a group, and one that's full-on luxury. Let's make your Valentine's Day absolutely gorgeous. Here's the plan. First, an intimate dinner setup for about $100. Simple, romantic, perfect for the date night at home. Then a Galentine's brunch that's fun, festive, and Instagram ready. And finally, a luxury romantic setup that's going to just blow your partner away. Let's start with our budget-friendly setup. Setup 1 is all about creating a romantic moment without spending a fortune. We'll start with a red polyester tablecloth, which is classic for Valentine's. No surprises here. Add a simple white or blush runner down the middle. For the place settings, we keep it clean with white plates, red cloth napkins, and you can fold the napkins however you like. We'll do a heart fold later and slide on a very simple napkin ring. The centerpiece is where the romance comes in. Just some simple red taper candles in glass candle holders. Arrange in a triangle or a line or in small clusters. Add some small bud vases with a few red or pink roses. You don't need a huge arrangement, just a few stems are perfect. Finish with some heart-shaped confetti or some red rose petal scatters around the candles. Light the candles right before dinner and you've got yourself a beautiful intimate setup. The total cost is around $100. And honestly, your date's not going to know how much the difference between this and something that costs 3 times as much. The romance is in the details. Setup 2 is for the girls. Galentine's Day is all about celebrating with your best friends, and this setup is fun, pink, and totally Instagram worthy. We're starting with a blush pink tablecloth. Soft, pretty, and it photographs beautifully. Layer on your favorite runner. We use this super cute runner that has pearls already built into it. But sequins, pearls, glitz and glam, those are totally negotiable. Whatever your favorite decor is, you use. For place settings, we're using charger plates. You can use rose gold or clear acrylic, both work. And pink napkins with either pearls or rose. We use French toile here. If you have a few friends coming, space these out evenly around the table. Now for the fun part, the champagne. If you want to go all out, set up a little champagne tower. It is easier than it looks, we promise. You can either stack the glasses in a pyramid, or you can get a champagne glass centerpiece where all you have to do is simply place the glasses in the acrylic spaces. Or you can get a ready-made acrylic centerpiece where all you have to do is simply place the glasses in the slots and you're ready to go. It's a total showstopper, or you can keep it very simple with champagne flutes and a cute ice bucket. Add some balloons, some confetti and candles, or some heart-shaped balloons with some weights, and those fill the space and make everything feel really festive. You can fill the space with some extra roses, carnations, baby's breath, or some garland, and maybe even add some extra place card holders with your friends' names on it. They will love it. Your Galentine's crew is going to feel so extra special. Okay, setup 3 is for when you want to go all out. This is date night, anniversary, or I'm proposing tonight energy. Let's make it unforgettable. Start with a burgundy or deep red velvet cloth. Velvet is instant luxury. It's rich, it's dramatic, it is chef's kiss. Layer a gold sequin or even a burgundy lace runner on top. The contrast between the different fabrics is perfect. Now we're layering the place settings. Gold or burgundy charger plates first. Then your dinner plate. Bonus points if it has a gold rim. Then a smaller salad plate on top. Everything is stacked, everything is intentional. For the napkins, use burgundy or black cloth. Tie it with a velvet ribbon, or if you have some sort of ornate napkin ring, go with that. This is not the time for simplicity. We are going for some romance and big details here. Here we want a centerpiece that is a statement. We're using a gold and black candelabra here. This is a statement piece all by itself, but adding a tall, lush arrangement of deep red roses on top just simply adds to the drama. Scatter some rose petals around the centerpiece and across the table. Add some gold flatware and crystal wine glasses, and this is the moment. If you're celebrating something special, this is absolutely worth it. Your partner is going to walk in and feel like royalty. And there you have it, 3 Valentine's Day setups for every budget and every vibe. Which one are you doing this year? Comment 1, 2, or 3 and tag someone you're celebrating with. Every product is linked in the description so you can shop exactly what you see. Don't forget to subscribe for more party and event ideas. We've got so much more coming your way. Thanks for watching and happy Valentine's Day.